Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we have 1 million Uruk-hai Orcs led by Sauron, and they are gonna go up against 5,000 Stormtroopers, and they will be led by Darth Vader. I know you might think that the number advantage is a bit much, but Stormtroopers do have the superior weaponry, so I think this is gonna be a good one. Let's see. And I have the Orcs starting storming in with Sauron in front. I have put the Stormtroopers to hold because I did a little bit of testing, and the Uruk-hai Orcs are not even gonna get close to the Stormtroopers if they are allowed to move. So, but yeah, let's see what happens. It is it is a little bit of a numbers advantage, as you can see here. And by the way, we also have Uruk-hai archers in the back. So I think it will be a close battle. And I think we will see the Stormtroopers start shooting any second now. And they do of course have Darth Vader, which is one of the strongest characters from Star Wars. So, but then again, the Orcs do have Sauron. He is also one of the big guys. Look at that mace. He's not joking around. And we have Stormtroopers firing over here. Look how fast their weapons fire. That is why I think 5,000 is enough. Because I think pretty much every single shot is killing an orc. As you can see, they are just falling to the ground. All the way back here. But yeah, the archers has also started firing arrows. And there is a lot, but the Stormtrooper armor is also a lot better than the orcs. And I don't think the orc shields will stop any of those laser bullets. I have set Darth Vader to guard, so he is able to move forward when he gets in range for attacking. As you can see, Sauron is taking a lot of the heat over here. That might give the orcs a chance to get close. Oh, he is clapping. Damn. I mean, his mace is also the same size as the Stormtroopers, so I guess he should be clapping hard. But yeah, as you can see, the orcs are getting close. I'm not sure if they are getting. I mean, there's one getting a little bit bloody, but that might be the archers. Because it doesn't look like they are actually getting any hits in. As you can see, they fall right before they reach them. Oh no, they are actually getting a few hits in. That's nice. But yeah, as you can see, the Stormtroopers has already they are reaching the halfway point for the Orcs. Their weapons are just way too superior to shields and swords. As you can see, the stormtroopers here in the middle, not a single one is bloody yet. That means they haven't been hit at all. And I can see Darth Vader has been cutting down a few as well. He has been taking a few hits, I can see. But yeah, should be a good one. I can see the first stormtrooper army has actually been defeated. Or is there still it seems like Saren is not able to move. Okay, there we go. Good job, big boy. But yeah, there's still quite a few stormtroopers, and as you can see over here where Soren is not taking any of the heat, they are not even getting close. I mean, very few has been a little bit close, but it doesn't seem like they have gotten a single hit in. So I think the stormtroopers are a little bit superior to the Urukai orcs, but there is still a lot of them. And especially here in the back, we have a lot of archers. Looks like we still have a few orc swordsmen going in. But yeah, they are below 300,000 now, the orcs, so this might be a stormtrooper win, unless Sauron is just too strong. He is starting to cut down group number 2. But he is very bloody, so he might fall soon. But yeah, it looks like the archers have been doing work to this group, because they are all they're all bloody. But I don't understand why they haven't done anything to this group. Maybe it is actually only Sauron that is able to do anything to these stormtroopers. Maybe they are just way better than the Uruk-hai orcs. But we will see. Maybe if Sauron goes down, it's just over. There's still about 250,000 left, so I would say there's still a chance. Over here we have Darth Vader fighting a lot of orcs. He is completely surrounded. And we do still have a lot of archers just shooting arrows. There was about 200,000 archers to begin with. I guess there's still 200,000 since the stormtroopers are probably focusing on the orcs, trying to storm them. But yeah, it looks like group number 2 has gone down for the stormtroopers. Oh, damn. Did Darth Vader just fly when Sauron hits him? It looks like he's absolutely flying when Sauron gets a hit in. But it looks like Darth Vader is taking a lot of orcs down with him. At least he is taking a lot of the heat from the orcs, so the stormtroopers are allowed to shoot for a long time. Yeah, we are below 200k now. There is not many orcs left compared to how easily they fall. And Sauron is still standing. He seems to be a very strong unit. He has been taking a lot of shots from the stormtroopers. But then again, Darth Vader seems to be pretty strong as well. He has been getting cut from the orcs for a while now, and he is still standing. And also those swings from Sauron, they must hurt. Also, I think the archers should be shooting him quite a bit. That is, if they hit anything, because it looks like the arrows are landing on top of the archers in the front. Oh well. Oh, it looks like Darth Vader has fallen. Now they don't know what to do. Well, maybe when the last group of stormtroopers gets attacked from both sides, then it could be trouble for them. It does look like they have taken down basically everything over here. I guess the stormtroopers are still shooting at the archers here in the back. Yeah, and as you can see, they are falling over here as well. Actually, all the way back here. I guess the stormtroopers has a lot of range on those guns, since the archers is all the way up here to shoot the arrows at them. There is still a few Uruk-hai swordsmen running from this direction, but it's not a lot. I think basically everyone has been taken down from this side. Oh, actually, there's a few. Well, we'll see. Now Sauron is getting close to the third group, so if they're not gonna get him down, then it could be trouble for the stormtroopers. It actually looks like it's basically over if he's not going down like right now, because when he is taking all the shots, then the archers have free firing on the stormtroopers. Then again, I'm still not sure if they are even hitting them, because there's not a single one that is actually bloody over here, except for the one that's getting hit by the Uruk-hai swordsman. Oh, they are actually falling while Sauron is not hitting them as well. So I think the archers is actually doing something. But it looks like Sauron was just too strong for the stormtroopers and for Darth Vader. It's 100 to 76,000. So, and one of those 76,000 is Sauron still. And now the orcs are getting some whacks in as well, because they are all firing at Sauron. But yeah, this looks like a Lord of the Rings victory. I know that I was a bit generous with the numbers, but I've seen the stormtroopers. They are kind of overpowered. Their weapon is absolutely disgustingly strong. They shoot so fast and they do so much damage. But there we have it. Team Uruk. They took the victory today. But I think the credit belongs to this guy. Absolutely slamming them down. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe the video, and comment below if there's a specific battle you want to see. Peace.